As part of the OEL package, we like to provide cutting-edge, state-of-the-art products that you can take to market, have exclusive on, and not worry about competition from other sources. One such product is our Freedom Tool. This here is a Freedom Toolkit that should be on every counter in America that's selling the OEL product line. The OEL Freedom Insulated Tool meets and exceeds the OSHA and NFPA 70E compliance standards. They are a double insulated tool rated for exposure to 1000 volts and dielectrically tested to 10,000 volts. What makes this tool unique is that it does both standard, here's an 11/16 nut, it does metric. Think about a facility you might be working at where they're bringing in parts from overseas, from Germany. Now I've moved from a standard piece of equipment to now I've gone to a foreign piece of equipment with metric parts. This one tool, without having to send somebody back to the shop, without having to carry two sets of tools, all that extra weight, with this one tool I can now move back and forth from standard to metric. But the other exciting thing about this tool is this, is that all over the country where we travel, we meet with people who have stripped out bolts, stripped out nuts. What's happening is they're having to find cutting tools to work on this while they're working around energized equipment. Alright? Well, with this tool solves that problem in that here is a completely stripped out metric bolt. This is a 17mm socket, and as you can see, there's nothing for it to catch. Because all sockets catch the edges, there's nothing for it to catch because these edges have been ground down. Alright, with the Freedom Tool, because we grab the walls, we don't have that problem. So any stripped out bolts you have in your facility, this will not work for. If you don't have this particular sample kit sitting at your counter, being used on sales calls, being taken out and shown to your customers, how can you expect them to get it? Alright? They've got to be able to experience this. They've got to be able to see how it catches the flats. Alright? We have plenty of these sample kits available. Get them on your counter today. Get them in your facility. Start showing this tool. Start separating yourself from the competition. And let's make Freedom Tool a hit in 2011.